Dr. Ike here. I want to say Happy New Year to you. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make my drink from lemon, ginger, and garlic. So remember, in my previous videos, I talked to you about the benefits of garlic, ginger, and lemon. So today I'm gonna show you how I make my drink. So first, I have 2 lemons here, so I'll wash it first. Then I use ginger, organic ginger. So what I'll take this right here, this, and I'll wash it and cut it out. So it's washed. And here I have garlic, okay? So it's already cleaned out, but I'm still gonna wash it. So for this drink, I'll make a handful of garlic. As you can see, it's a handful of garlic. So I'm gonna wash it up and use it. So that's a handful of garlic I'm gonna put in here. So I'm cutting up the lemon, okay? And now I'm cutting up the ginger, okay? So I carve the ginger, then I put in the drink. And that's the very last one. So now, after cutting it up, the next thing I will do is to blend it. after blending the drink, I'm gonna sift it. Okay. So after sifting the drink, I add honey to it. So this is 100% pure. Raw honey is natural and is unblended, unfiltered, and is undiluted. Okay. So after adding honey to it, I mixed it up pretty good so that it becomes, uniform. So here comes the drink. It's ready to go. So as you can see, for this drink I used ginger, garlic, honey, and lemon. This is what I'm doing to stay healthy. So I hope you do the same. Let's test it. It tastes so good because I added honey to it. So you should try it. It's good. It helps to stay fit, it helps to stay healthy. So that's what I want to share today. So remember, in the previous videos I shared how those garlic, ginger, and lemon could help you, improve your health. So in this video I just showed you how I make my drink out of this food, like the garlic, ginger, and add honey to it to make it sweeter. So I hope you try it at home. It's really good. It's healthy. I hope you take something home from this video. So I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Thank you very much.
Hello, I told you about a drink. That's what I'm about to make right now. So let's get to it. I'm gonna make it real quick. All right, so the drink is done, it's ready to go. So this is the drink I was telling you. It is good. Let's check it out. This drink is amazing. Matter of fact, I feel revived. And now I'm born again. Thank you.